Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad thrashed an Air India employee only because he was denied a seat in business class, and this thrashing took place repeatedly with a slipper because of this alleged seating issue. The Sena MP was travelling from Pune to Delhi and claims that he had a business class ticket. Air India claims the staffer was hit by Gaikwad when asked to deplane. The parliamentarian, what's worse, has recently accepted the assault on the Air India staffer, but tried to rationalize it, saying that it was the staffer who was rude to him. All right, in fact, let's play out more reactions that we got from the Shiv Sena MP. He reiterated that he had slapped the Air India staffer not once but 25 times. According to him, the staffer was rude to him, said, "I'm going to complain about you to Modi," and that is what got his blood boiling. In fact, what's even worse is that the Shiv Sena MP says, if someone is rude to me, I am going to hit him. That is what I have been taught in the Shiv Sena. It's something that has been handed down the years to us. I am not from the BJP, he asserts, to listen to anything, to be abused by anyone, whether it be a member of the media or a member of Air India. I am going to teach that person a lesson. This is what the MP thinks is the correct behavior on part of a member of parliament. His justification that the staffer was rude to him. That in 2015, a similar incident had taken place when YSR Congress MP Mithun Reddy had slapped airport officials as his relatives were refused boarding passes. So on the left is that member of parliament who was from the YSR Congress, Mithun Reddy. He had also slapped an airport official, and now it's the Shiv Sena MP who also thinks that this is the correct behavior on his part.
There has been an incident where an MP has taken off his slipper and beaten Air India staff. Is this VVIP racism? We have the same MP with us, Ravindra Gaikwad. Sir, no matter how much outraged you are about that particular incident, do you, in hindsight, regret that particular incident, that you actually amounted to doing violence and hit out at Air India staff?
एयर इंडिया के स्टाफ ने मुझसे बदतमीजी किया। मैं 4 लोगों को, मैंने तो एयर होस्टेस के पास कंप्लेन दिया था। जो आया उसको बोला कंप्लेन पढ़ो, सोल्यूशन निकालो, आपके हाथ में है तो
आपकी क्या ओरिजिनल कंप्लेन क्या थी कि आपको बिजनेस क्लास की टिकट थी और मगर आपको बिजनेस क्लास में नहीं इकोनॉमिक क्लास में बिठाया?
इकोनॉमिक बिजनेस का हो सकता है मैडम जी, 1 दिन होगा। मैं वो ऑफिसर को पूछा कब से बिजनेस क्लास बंद है? 1 साल से। फिर बुकिंग काहे को कराते हो? मेरा सवाल नहीं, मेरा तो मुफ्त का टिकट है, आपका पैसे का है। लेकिन जो लोग निकालते हैं उनको अंदर जाने के बाद पता चलता है 1 साल से। वो 7:35 का पूना दिल्ली फ्लाइट है।
आपको लगता नहीं है कि आप वो टिकट कैंसिल करा सकते थे? आप कंप्लेन कर सकते थे? अशोक गजपति राजू यहीं पे बैठते हैं, आप उनसे बात कर सकते थे। आपके पास काफ़ी आपके पास विकल्प थे, लेकिन आपने वो विकल्प इस्तेमाल
कर रहा हूँ, मैं वही कर रहा हूँ। और मैं मीडिया के सामने नहीं आया था, उसने बोला है मारा है बोल के, और मैंने मारा है तो मारा है, ये क्या गलत नहीं है? वो उसने बोलने की क्या जरूरत है मीडिया को?
आपने जिसको मारा था, क्या टिकट उसने कराई थी? क्या उसने एडजस्ट नहीं किया था? आपके किसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी?
सीएमडी है और बिजनेस देखने वाला, बुकिंग वाला है, कोई ऑफिसर, उनका जिम्मेदारी है। 1 साल से अपना ये फ्लाइट इकोनॉमी है तो बुकिंग इकोनॉमी होना चाहिए। ऐसा एक बुकिंग एजेंसी को बोलने की कौन जिम्मेदारी है?
सर, आप शिवसेना के एमपी हैं, आप लॉ मेकर हैं, आपको सब मालूम है कि क्या कायदे हैं, क्या कानून है। आप मानते हैं कि
दीदी जी, हम लॉ मानने वाले हैं, लेकिन मैं पैसेंजर हूँ एयर इंडिया में। वो धंधा करती है एयर इंडिया, कंपटीशन करती। सब एयर इंडिया के कर्मचारी आज भूखे मर रहे हैं, और हमको क्या फैसिलिटी मिलता है हमको मालूम है, एमपी रह के भी। मैं मीडिया के सामने आज फर्स्ट टाइम आया, मैं कभी नहीं आया 3 साल में।
क्या क्या बदतमीजी की आप हमें बताइए। आपने जब टिकट दिखाया, टिकट दिखाई,
आदमी आया, वो बोला मैं खाली करने वाला हूँ, सब पैसेंजर खाली हो गए, आप क्यों नहीं उतरे? मैं बोला मेरा प्रॉब्लम है, उधर पढ़ो, और मुझे बोलो।
तो ये है आपकी टिकट?
ये टिकट मेरा है।
हाँ
1F।
हाँ।
उधर एक विकलांग सीनियर आदमी बोला मेरे को कंफर्टेबल है, उसको बिठाया और मैं उनके जगह पे 2F पे बैठा। सीट का तो सवाल ही नहीं, मेरा ही जगह है जिसको दिया रहे। तो मैं अरगड़ था तो उसको उठा के बोलता था मैं, वो सवाल नहीं ना। उतरते टाइम हुआ है, 1 घंटा में नीचे नहीं उतरा।
पर वो तो आपको बोल ही रहे थे, कोई ऐसा हाथापाई तो नहीं?
नीचे चल, MP है तो क्या हुआ, मोदी को कंप्लेन करूंगा। मैं बोला साहब जी आवाज़ नीचे, MP है तो क्या हुआ। मैं बोला पुलिस लाओ, अरेस्ट करके उठाओ। और सीनियर हो BP कहीं को बढ़ा रहे आप खुद का। इतना बोलने के बाद भी आवाज़ चढ़ा के बोल रहे हैं मोदी को कंप्लेन करो। मोदी बोलता है प्रधानमंत्री जी को कंप्लेन करूंगा बोलेंगे ना।
आपका एक एक्सपीरियंस?
अरे मैं टीचर हूँ, लेकिन शिवसेना का MP हूँ। मैं 100 बार पैर गिर सकता हूँ, लेकिन घमंड से आया तो थप्पड़ भी निकालने का मेरे को बाला साहब ने सिखाया, निकाला है मैंने।
तो जो आपने किया वो सही किया?
बिल्कुल सही किया।
बिल्कुल सही किया।
गलत है तो स्ट्राइक करके बंद करते थे ना 10 बजे से।
So that's the word coming in from the MP. No regrets whatsoever. He does not believe this is a VVIP culture. But this obviously raises question as to whether it was the last step that he could have managed to take. Perhaps this entire incident could have been averted. But no regrets from the Shiv Sena MP, being very defiant, saying it's not Narendra Modi is going to come and look at the issue. It's his own problem and he sorted it out. A serious complaint against the Air India. With camera person Shakil, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
So we are asking you, what do you think of this MP's behavior and what action should be taken against him? Our first viewer already with us on the phone line now, Piyush. What do you think?
Yeah, see, I saw your advertisement. I think it was about regarding Mr. Adityanath. I am calling from UP. Can I say something about that issue too?
No, I'm sorry, Piyush. Right now, we are not taking that call. We are in fact asking you to call about the Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad, who misbehaved with an Air India staffer. Sorry for the miscommunication, but we're asking our viewers, if you want to express your views on what happened, then you can call in on the numbers that are on your screen. Kamaljeet Sandhu joins us from outside Parliament. Kamaljeet, does he have his party's backing? Is that what is making Mr. Gaikwad so confident? Because he says that if you really have a problem, maybe Air India should go on strike. So we're not expecting any apology from him anytime soon, are we?
Absolutely not. He seems rather unabashed. There's no regret coming in from the MP, and apparently he believes that he's done the right thing. We did ask him whether he's the lawmaker. He understands the nitty-gritties of law, and perhaps taking law into his own hand is not the right thing to do. But perhaps you would have heard the answer that he gave. He remained extremely defiant, saying that if he ever made any sort of mistake, he would be able to touch anybody's feet 100 times. But if somebody was defiant to him, somebody who showed him attitude, gave answer back to him, he would actually beat the shit out of that person, literally speaking in those particular terms. So obviously this is coming out straight from a Shiv Sena MP. But at this point of time, what we know is the party leaders weren't really around, because remember the parliament is in session. But this incident happened in the morning. The MP seems to be very angry. He said he was going to eventually take up the steps, speak to Ashok Gajapati Raju, the civil aviation minister. But this also
Okay, we have the civil aviation minister reacting right now. Kamaljeet, sorry to interrupt you. Let's listen in.
We have done an Air Seva app also, and it has been going around well. Complaints have been coming, and within time, a maximum number of complaints have been addressed. So all this is happening. So anyway, this aside, no citizen will behave like this.
So would you like to take up this matter, not just administratively,
You see,
but even
as
the airline to
you see, physical assault is not a thing which any democratic person of any political party will encourage. And any physical assault will always be condemned.
Would you say the MP should apologize for this kind of behavior?
I would say it should never have happened. Hindi to main janta hi nahi.
All right, so the civil aviation minister not giving much away on what action is likely to be taken, but he did say that extremely condemnable, should have never happened. No person has the right to behave like this with another individual. Kamaljeet continues to be with us, but I also want to quickly get in Anindo, who tracks civil aviation ministry for us, as well as Air India. You know, it's almost a dare that the member of parliament has thrown, that if Air India people really care about what happened, maybe they should go on strike. How has the Air India Employees Association, the Pilots Association reacted? Anindya.
What we had given to understand, Padmaja, this, like once the incident happened, immediately the crew member, upon landing, the matter was reported to his immediate senior. The immediate senior reported the matter to Ashwini Lohani, who in turn forwarded the matter to the Civil Aviation Ministry. Now that is the technical part of it. But yes, as far as the crew association is concerned of Air India, also the ICPA, which is the Indian Commercial Pilot Association, which has nothing to do with this. In spite of that, they are also quite infuriated, and I mean, probably a strike is not the option, but clearly they're not in a mood to even get an apology. They want an FIR to be lodged. That's what I spoke to a couple of crew members of the union, and they said that we want a FIR to be lodged. And considering the fact the assailant this time is a member of parliament, that too a member of a party who is an alliance partner of the center, BJP, who is in center, that's why probably they're finding it extremely tough to go ahead with this plan, considering the fact they employ themselves are a PSU. But one thing that I want to highlight, Padmaja, is which is of immense significance. This is a criminal offence. This is a criminality is severe. He has gone on record to say that 25 baar jute se mara, which is like amazing, mind-boggling statement. So the Delhi police
No,
is
Anindya,
within
don't
its
get the
right
facts
to go
wrong.
ahead and file
In fact,
an
the
FIR,
MP
which is
actually
not-
corrected
which
us
should
to
be
say कि
non-bailable.
जूते से नहीं, मैंने सैंडल से मारा. He is very particular about these details. जूते से नहीं, मैंने सैंडल से मारा और 25 बार मारा. He was at pains, in fact, to correct our reporter when she was speaking to him. Just stay with me, Anindya, because I want to get in one of our viewers. Ravi is with us on the phone line. What kind of punishment do you think should be meted out to this MP?
I think, see, basically, to be very honest, he doesn't have a right to hit someone, first of all. He cannot take the law into his own hands. And now the thing is, everyone knows, yes, there are some problems with the Air India regarding the seating arrangements and the ticketing and etc., etc. But he cannot have the right to hit the staff. First of all, the staff should complain to their senior people, and the Air India should take this matter very seriously, and they should talk to some head of the, I think since he is an MP, I think they should raise this voice with some of the
It has to be taken up with the
parliament
speaker.
people.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And in fact, Mr. Ravi, honestly speaking, I don't even think it is about any inconvenience caused or the ticket or the seat. The real issue, and it came through when he was speaking to us, it was about how dare this man speak to me in a tone like this. And he kept saying things like, I'm not going to take this from an Air India staffer. I'm a Shiv Sena MP. I'm going to hit someone who's going to talk to me in that fashion. That is the real issue. Here was this VVIP inflated ego of his, which simply couldn't take it.
That shows the arrogancy of this particular gentleman. And the question is, he doesn't have a right to hit. Now the Air India has to take it very seriously and should higher ups, and this matter should be taken up seriously on this issue.
At Air India and the Civil Aviation Ministry is going to take it up. Thanks very much, Ravi, for calling in. Rakesh, another viewer from Bengaluru, calling in. Yes, what are your thoughts, Rakesh?
Yeah, good evening, Padmaja. I think if real lesson is to be taught to this guy, no, he should be banned from all airways for the next 5 years. In fact, he should be made to travel only by road or train. And it is very sad that even the civil aviation minister, he ducks questions, and even when the reporter asks, does he think that he should apologize, he evades that question and just tells this thing shouldn't have happened, and he just walks away. This is the reality.
Thanks very much, Rakesh, for calling in. You're saying that he should be allowed to travel only by train, but why would you want to foist this man on the poor Indian railways? Imagine this kind of behavior would continue, I would think, on the railways as well. Another viewer, Raj, also with us on the phone line. Yes, Raj, your thoughts?
Hello.
Yes, sir, go on, your thoughts.
Sure. I am Raj from Bangalore. Hello.
Yes, sir, go on, I can hear
What
you.
he did is very good. Because, hello. Hello.
Yes, go on.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear, go on.
They won't respect Air India, Indigo. They won't respect customers. They won't bring. They won't give water to any customer. What he did is very good. Hello. जो किया उसने सही किया है.
I am sorry, sir. I cannot agree with that point of view at all. I can't imagine why you would say something like that. You're actually saying that for anyone, leave alone an MP, even an individual, to attack an airline staffer is okay? Is that what you're saying, sir? All right, really shocking that a viewer would actually espouse something like that. But all right, so we're taking more of your calls. What do you think about this? You can tell us. Our next viewer is with us on the phone line. S. Rally from Hyderabad. Yes, what do you have to say?
I have to say only one thing. Strip this fellow of the MPship. He should not be an MP anymore.
All right. Thank you very much, sir, for calling. I would also suggest that all our viewers switch off their television or at least put it on mute if they are going to be calling us. But there's more news coming in right now. A senior Air India official has confirmed to India today that Air India will be filing an FIR against the Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad in the next 1 hour at the police station near T2 terminal in New Delhi. Air India has formed an internal committee for an inquiry into what happened. The committee report has almost been readied and is going to be tabled before the Aviation Ministry in the next few hours. All right, Viren Singh Gunawat is joining us live on this story. Yes, give us more details of what this report contains. Does it bear out the version of events given by the Air India staffer, Viren?
Exactly. In fact, the Air India official have told exclusive to India Today, giving the details of the incident, how it took place. First of all, they admit, the Air India official admit that he was traveling in economy class. But when the plane reached Delhi, he declined to even deboard the plane. The MP Ravindra Gaikwad and his the few people who were traveling with MP, they decided not to get out of the plane. They asked the crew member that if you bring the minister, the aviation minister, and the chairman and managing director of Air India, CMD, and make them say sorry for making him travel in the economy class, then only he will get out of the plane. But the crew member tried to convince him, the duty official, the duty manager of Air India at that point of time, his age is around 60. He is a retired official, but he still be working with Air India. He tried to convince the MP to please move out, sir, but MP got aggressive. As this is all as per the report, the committee report that has informed to inquire the incident. The report says that the duty manager tried to convince the MP, but MP started beating him, assaulting him, beating with hand. He tore his shirt.
So you're saying that this MP actually attacked someone who is 60 years old?
Exactly. He's a 60-year-old duty manager, and in fact, he has beaten her by chappal, 15 to 20 times by chappal. He was on the floor. The duty manager was on the floor. That time, the airport manager intervened the entire incident, and he convinced the MP to get out, and then only the MP move out from the plane. So now, Air India has decided to file an FIR against Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad as soon as possible outside the terminal T2. There's a police station out of T2. They will do that.
All right, then just stay with me because we have to take a very quick break at this point. But this is going to be our big story. I don't know what's more shameful: this member of parliament's behavior, or the fact that he's condoning it, he's standing by it, or the fact that his party, the Shiv Sena, still refuses to take any action, still is trying to rationalize it.